Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete a page in a Google Data Studio, which is now called a Looker Studio. So first go ahead and open up any report. So let's say I open up this one. All you need to do is come here at the top right and click on edit first, okay? We need to be in the edit mode to be able to delete the page. So once we are in the edit mode, I want you to come here and click on this. Okay, this will help you manage your pages. So it says page 1 of 6. Just go ahead and click on this one. Okay, and it will open up all the pages here on the right hand panel. So now that we have this opened, all you need to do is, let's say I want to delete this one, right? You just need to come and click on these three dots, click on delete. Alternatively, what you can do is right click on it and then just click on delete. Okay, there you go. I clicked on that and now we only have 5 pages left. As you can see, really that easy and simple.